Hello and welcome to episode 11 of our Tamiya TT-01 Race Build from RC Empire. Now in the last episode we left off at the unboxing and assembly of these Racing 50mm shocks. Now in this quick video we will be fitting them to our TT-01, so let's get started. Now the first thing we are going to do is to fit the ball connectors that came with the shocks to the car. And a lot of cars actually have these balls on the chassis already, but our one doesn't. So we're going to use the ones that you saw in the last episode that came with the kit and fit them onto the Tamiya TT-01. As you can see, there are two types of ball connectors with this set, one with a thread on both sides and one with a hex in the top, and it's this one we're going to use. So if we remove the old shocks and screws, and you can see they come off nice and easy. You can just see the difference there with the old friction type shocks from Tamiya, and of course we will get much more adjustability with the new shocks in terms of being able to adjust the ride height and being able to use oil damping where we can change the oil weight. But we'll show you all of this in the coming setup video. So take your ball connectors and screw them into the chassis from the top, making sure that they are nice and straight, and don't screw them in bent. Also, don't screw them in too much and damage the thread that you've made in the plastic. Then do the same with the bottom ones. And then take your brand new shocks and simply pop them on. They might be a bit tight at first, but that's great. It means they won't pop off mid-race or after a crash. If you're constantly taking them on and off, they may start to loosen up. But that's basically it. This car is now technically ready to race and has everything we will be using to race it apart from the tyres and the body, which we will be painting in the next episode. As well as this, we will be doing some testing with this car before it goes to the races, as you've already seen in some of the videos, so do subscribe for that. But that's it. Please rate, drop us a comment down below if you'd like to see anything in particular, and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching and see you soon.